Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Zapier with Instagram. To start the process, open your web browser in your PC. Now search here Zapier.com. Here click on Zapier.com. Then click on Create Zap on your top left corner. Here, click on Instagram. Now choose an event from here. Then click on Continue. You can also change your Instagram username. Now click on Menu. Here you can find various options. Then click on Continue. Click on Test Trigger. Here click on Continue with selected record. Now click on Twitter. Now choose an event. Then click on Continue. From here you can check your Twitter username. Then click on Continue. From here you can insert your Instagram data. Now click on Continue. You can add a tweet to Twitter, then click on Test Action. As you can see, I failed to create a tweet on Twitter. Now click on Action. Insert your Instagram username. Then click on Continue. Here click on Test Action. As you can see, our Zap is ready to publish. After that, click on Publish. As you can see, a tweet was sent to Twitter about 17 seconds ago. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.